Hello, Joel with Sterling Services, and we're servicing an air conditioner here, and it's supposed to be about 108 today. And so what we look for this time of year specifically is for things that are capable of overheating, because that's what causes most of our problems this time of year. One thing would be this motor, which is an electric motor that can run very hot, and right now this is running about 121 degrees, which it's not quite 100 degrees out yet today, so that's about normal. It's about what I would expect. We're also going to check these electrical components, which are capable of are adversely affected by heat, the capacitor, the contactor, circuit boards, things like that, so we want to check those. Last but not least, and this can be a very common problem, these fusible disconnects. We want to check these blades for any discoloration, and we want to check all these incoming wiring terminals for tightness, and make sure they're not running hot as well, all those connections in there, so this customer doesn't have any premature breakdowns this summer.